Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be teaching you a trick called the Revolver. Now the Revolver actually has a very similar technique to the thumb block. Now if you don't know what a thumb block is, I recommend that you watch this video right over here. Learn the basics before you start climbing the ladder of tricks. It'll help you much more with the technicality in future advanced Karambit tricking. Anyways, let's jump right into it. Now to do the Revolver, all you need to do is two simple steps. Step 1 is get to this position. Step 2 is flicking it back into your palm. Got it? Let's break it down. So, step 1. From an underhand grip position, what you want to do is release the grip. Release your 3 fingers, but link your thumb and index finger together and put it into this hanging position. Now you want to keep in mind when you put it into this hanging position, the ring of the Karambit should be placed on your first or third line of your index finger, whichever way you look at it. Now from here, simple enough, all you have to do is scoop it upwards. And you're here. Let's try that again. From the hanging position, scoop it upwards. And you're over here. Now one important thing to keep in mind is that when you do this hanging position, you want to keep your wrist pointed downwards. Because if you have it just pointed like this, there's a possibility when you swing, it can hit you on your forearm, which we don't want to happen. So again, from an underhand grip position, you want to release, you want to link, hanging position, point downward, and then scoop it up. Simple as that. Step number 2. Now, from this position, what we're going to do is very simple. We're going to flick it back downwards. Now, from this current position, we want to switch to the other way, so we're going to do this. So from palm down, we're going to go to palm up. Now from this position, just like the forward extension flip, we're going to flick it back into our palm. And that's step number 2, easy as that. So let's try it again from up here. Put it down, switch, flick it back up. So do it faster. And there you go. So now you got both step 1 and step 2 together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to combine them together. From here, step 1, step 2. Faster, step 1, step 2. And there you go. You got yourself the Revolver. And that's it for this video. Thank you again for watching. I hope this video provided you some help. My name is Ryan Ross and I'll see you on the next video.